Okay guys, just a quick update. I know I showed you, I don't know, a few weeks ago, I guess it's been now, that I got a new chain and sprocket for the bike. There it is right there. It's driven racing sprocket, front and rear, still stock gearing, 16 in front, 43 in the back. I did go with a little smaller chain of 520 instead of the stock 525, a little less spinning mass. Also the nuts, you see the nuts there, those are also driven racing parts. So yeah, it works great, looks good, and that's a quick update for the sprocket and chain. Cool. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.